Hey guys, and welcome to this Pam Anderson hair tutorial. Of course, that Hulu show Pam and Tommy is out, so it is just booming and trending, and obviously I just love that show. I finished it. It was great. If you guys haven't watched it, you definitely should. So I'm going to do the hairstyle that they did on Lily James, where she does the updo, and Pamela Anderson was seen wearing this all the time. It's such an iconic hairstyle. Of course, I don't have blonde hair though, so I went and bought myself a lace front human hair platinum blonde wig, and I am cutting myself some bangs. That way it's more similar. I did find some wigs on Amazon, but they weren't giving me Pam vibes. They were giving me like modern vibes, and it wasn't what I was going for. So I ended up just finding one on AliExpress that I loved way more, and I just love the way it turned out in the end. Obviously, this is a blend of how they do Lily James's hair, and then they took the inspiration from Pam, obviously, because it is Pam and Tommy. So a lot of the pictures I'm showing in here are going to be blends of either Lily James or actually Pamela Anderson. But I'm just using a 1.5 inch curling iron to achieve these curls, these big like 90s waves. They're not necessarily super tight, as you could see in the picture from Lily James here. The curls aren't like really tiny, they're more bouncy, so you want to use a bigger wand. You know what, also using a straightener would help too. There are some pieces I go over with a straightener just because this wig is kind of thin, so it kept falling through with the curling iron. Nevertheless, we did achieve the look that I wanted to go for. So yeah, just go ahead and just go back and forth with the direction of the curls, because we are going to be putting it up, so it doesn't matter too much how structured they are, just as long as you do have curls, because it's not going to work if your hair is more on the wavy side. It has to be medium curls, so not too tight and not too wavy. I mean, you could do tighter curls, but it's not going to look like Pamela Anderson's hair, really. So we're coming towards the end. I love the way that the curls came out. They're really pretty. So how many of you guys remember my first Pamela Anderson tutorial? Honestly, I'm going to say for myself that it was iconic. I loved it. I thought it was a complete transformation, and that was like 4 years ago. So I'm really happy that the trend is coming back and everyone is watching the show and wanting to recreate her looks, because she honestly is a total style icon. So here is the way my hair turned out. Love it. So here's a picture that I grabbed for inspiration as well. Since this is a wig, it's a lot harder to put my hair up. So this is what I do, is I take the 2 strands out. You can do the same thing for your natural hair and do a half up, half down first. So the first top of your head is you're just gonna twist up a piece and pin it into place with a bobby pin. And you're just gonna do this a bunch of times. Just twist the hair like so and pin it up into place. I found this a lot easier than just getting all your hair up at once and doing an updo. There's also some intricate updo tutorials on Pamela Anderson's hair on YouTube, but those are, like I said, intricate. This is kind of the fast and easier way to do it. So you just grab a bunch of strands, half up, half down hair, and then when we're done with the first top of the head, it does take some time because you have to twist the hair. You can't just like place it on your head. Then you'll grab the last piece at the bottom in a ponytail kind of, and you can take a butterfly clip or anything that is kind of heavy duty to hold up your hair, twist it like so, and then fold it up into the hair. And then you just kind of clip it into place, and you do still need to put some bobby pins in there because the hair is kind of going to be falling over and this and that. So you just want to kind of recurl some pieces that fell and make sure that everything is pinned into place, because it will fall out if it's not pinned correctly. Like I said, this is the fast and easier version. There are more intricate tutorials on YouTube, but those take a lot of time if you kind of want to just get this Pam glam on right away. You're going clubbing, you're just inspired by her hair because it's super cute, then I would go with this way. So yes, teasing and using hairspray and kind of recurling those ends will give you that Pamela Anderson iconic updo that everybody is going crazy for right now. I loved it. I think Hulu killed it with the stylist and how they did her hair. It was very true to it. I know Pam didn't agree with it, but I thought it looked great. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.